Last week, my neighbor's garage was broken into. No alarms, no cameras, just gone in seconds. But what if I told you that you could build a smart motion detector for free using stuff you already have? In this video, we'll 3D model a case, prototype a PCB, and code a React Native app to create a DIY security system that sends alerts to your phone. Ready? Let's do this. First, let's design a compact case for our motion sensor using Fusion 360. This protects our electronics and gives it a pro look. Sketch a rectangular base with mounting holes for the PIR motion sensor and Raspberry Pi. Extrude the design to 5 mm thickness and create ventilation slits for heat dissipation. Add a snap-fit lid for easy access and ports for wiring. Export the STL file and send it to your 3D printer. Now, let's bring our design to life. Watch as the 3D printer builds the upper and lower casing layer by layer. Precision, speed, and pure DIY magic. Now, let's put together the motion detection circuit using a PIR sensor, buzzer, and Raspberry Pi. Wire the PIR motion sensor to the GPIO pins. Connect a buzzer for an audible alarm. Prototype the circuit on a breadboard before designing the final PCB. Assemble the components and test with simple Python code. All right, I'm arming the system. Presses button on app. And now, let's simulate a break-in. I have installed the device nearby my PS5, so anyone came nearby my PS5 console, I can see notification on the app. Boom! That's a DIY smart motion detector working in real time. No expensive security systems needed. This $0 security hack is a game changer. If you loved this DIY project, smash that like button, subscribe for more security hacks, and drop a fire in the comments if you're building this next.